In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your OneDrive version. If you ever need to check which version of OneDrive is installed on your computer, this is a quick and simple process. Knowing your version can be helpful when you're troubleshooting sync issues, checking whether you have the latest features, or following support instructions that ask for your current OneDrive release. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it. To begin, look down at your Windows taskbar and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually located near the clock on the bottom right side of your screen. In some cases, it may be hidden inside the small system tray arrow, so if you don't see it right away, click that arrow to reveal more icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. After the panel opens, look for the settings icon. This is typically shown as a small gear symbol. Go ahead and click that settings icon to open the available options. This menu gives you access to several OneDrive controls, and from here, you can navigate to more detailed account and app information. Next, click Settings from the menu. This opens the main OneDrive settings window, where you can view and manage different parts of the app. If you're following along on a different version of Windows, the layout may look slightly different, but the overall path is generally the same. Once the settings window appears, click the About section. The About page is where OneDrive displays version-related details and other app information. This is the section you'll want whenever you need to confirm exactly which build of OneDrive you're using. Now, look for the OneDrive version listed on that page. You should see a version number displayed somewhere in the About section. That number tells you the specific version currently installed on your device. If you're sharing this information with IT support or comparing it with a version listed online, make sure to read it carefully and copy it as shown. And that's it. You've successfully found your OneDrive version. As a quick tip, if you're trying to troubleshoot a problem, it can also help to keep this window open while comparing your version with official update notes or support documentation. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to check your OneDrive version whenever you need it.